Sora is the new tool from OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT. It seems like the most impressive AI text-to-video tool we've seen till now. At the moment, it is ready to use only for a small circle of designers and filmmakers. And now there is another AI tool. This one could compete with Sora. It is already out, can be used, and it's for free. Today we will take a closer look at Haiper.ai. You can join very easily with your Gmail account. And then we can create video with text in high def, animate your image in high def, repaint your video is coming soon, create with text prompt, animate your image, extend your video is also coming soon. Now we can take a closer look at other videos that other members here made. I really like this here. It is a high quality professional scene of a group of native Indians in a village in the mountain, and I really love this. Look there, it is impressive. Then we get this here in this Dragon Ball style, really cool. This is really funny, I love that. One image, it was created with an image it seems like, and then with a prompt. Image and the herd of miniature cows curiously looking to see what is happening. Very cute. A lot, this I really love. This Lego style, a black boy battle a dragon made of lights in the Lego style. You can choose this predefined styles here also, I show you after that. A dog is dancing with a bear, also pretty cool. The waterfalls, this wild river, amazing, how realistic. Maldives resort with speedboat arriving, fantastic. Oh, this is really funny here. Dinosaur working at a call center of a space comedic. Nice, very cool. Okay, let's try it out, I would say. Now we create a video with text in high def. You can see here we can choose an old film, watercolor, cyberpunk, arcane, Lego. I think we try a Lego movie style, bright colors, block building style. Okay, now let's say a little dog is running behind a T-Rex. And now it took almost 5 minutes. And look here. Okay, it looks like the dinosaur is running behind the dog and not the dog behind him. But I really love it. A little bit short. New prompt. Can view. Creation mode. Repaint your video, extend your video coming soon. I think we have to wait a little bit to improve our videos, but I think it would be worth it to wait. I really like it. Now let's try another one. Let's say something in cyberpunk. A blue Ferrari is driving in a city in the night. And this is our result. Looks pretty cool. Just a little bit short, but I think with updates later then we can improve the length from the videos. Let's try one more. A drone is flying over Santa Monica Beach in Los Angeles, California. Okay, I just want to try that because now you can see it films the drone that is flying over the Santa Monica Beach. And you just have to think about, if you want to make a drone shot, then you have to say you want a drone shot. Let's copy this prompt. I can edit here, much better. Copy, and a drone flying over Santa Monica Beach. A drone shot over Santa Monica Beach in Los Angeles, California. Let's try this. Still not what I want. But okay. When we go back to the exploring page, something underwater, but very nice too, where it was with the Maldives here. Maldives resort with speedboat arriving. You see there is nothing with the drone shot. Just have to try it out, play around with it. Now I want to try to create a video from an image that I already created with another AI tool. Animate your image. Upload image. Let's try it. Look, I made this image here. It is, let me show you. Some AI robots are cooking or preparing meat in a steakhouse. Here we can change the seed parameter, the duration. It is 2 seconds at the moment. 4 seconds is coming soon. Okay. AI robots are preparing meat in the kitchen from a steakhouse. Create. I don't know where was the problem, because it doesn't show it up directly, or it doesn't start creating, but after I deleted the 2 last drone shot videos, after that my final video was there with my image that I created with another AI tool, and with this prompt here I created this video. Looks pretty cool. The AI robots are preparing meat in a steakhouse. And last but not least, a classic. Will Smith eating spaghetti in a 5-star restaurant with his hands, and yeah. Looks really cool, I think. But what I saw till now, it is very impressive. I will definitely having an eye on this AI tool, and I will keep you up to date. If you found this tutorial was helpful, then give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and then see you soon. Bye!